Okay, folks, so I got a treat for you. I've been taking some pictures with the Leica, and I got some, as you can see, I had to go through the blinds because if I went outside, it scares the birds away. So I put some water down for a bird bath for them to drink, and I caught one. So let's go over here. If I just click on here, I think I can increase, yeah, the magnification just to show you. So this is with, I believe, the 90 to 280. It might have been the 24 to 70. I don't know. But as you can see, look at that. It's a great shot. A 24 megapixel camera can capture that. So I'm getting better with my wildlife shooting. Not the most perfect guy. But there you go. That's not a bad picture. And look at the color on this pigeon. It's wonderful. So if I go to the next one, oh, I have to go back to normal, I think. All right, so there's another picture. Still there. Let's go to, all right, now this one wasn't too clear. Okay, so I was outside this time. I was hoping the pigeon was still there. It wasn't. But this is the better picture. Look how sharp it is. And that's a raven. But look at this. Get real close. Now look at the eye. Isn't that something? I mean, it's unreal how sharp this camera is. Now I can see why everybody's stressing, hey, for 24 megapixel, do you need a 60 megapixel camera? Now it's a little blurry right now, but still, look at that. So if you get a 60 megapixel camera, you're going to crop things, okay? And in this case, I just have a 24 megapixel and it's doing fine. So I can, this is acceptable right here. You know, I can do something with that. Print it out if I have to. But still, that's a great shot. Now, my crepe myrtles are growing. So the leaves are coming out, even on the big one. I'm going to have to water that again. It rained a little bit last night. It's supposed to rain a little bit today. And what you don't see in here, and I think you might see it, it's real hard, but the little sparrows are trying to make nests, okay? I don't know. It's right there, okay? You can't see it. You'll see some other shots. But look at this. That's a great shot right there. And these birds are very tiny. But still, that's a great shot with the 24 megapixel camera. I can see why the R3 is so interesting. Yeah, for a Canon, it's okay. Let's go back here. Okay. And there's some more shots. That's a little blurry, but still, that's a nice shot. I'll expand it a little bit. If I can get my mouse on there. Oh, that's a great shot. Well, I don't know what happened there. Let's go back. All right. That's still a great shot. So you see a little noise, you just put it in a program for denoise, and that that'd be sharp. And then you just do something with the background and stuff. But that little bitty thing, far away, I'm loving this 90-280 lens. And here's another one, another one. These aren't great shots. This is Peter Gregg live. I had to take a picture of that. And then we're back to normal. So, anyhow, that's what I've been doing. I got to bring my mouse cursor back to right here. Okay. So it's just a quick video of showing you what I can do with the camera with the different lenses. And I got a backpack that I just bought. It's already being rendered. I did a short on that also, but that was with the 12-28 lens. As I think that's the standalone lens I'm going to just keep on my ZFC for product review, because it has a wide field of view, 12 millimeters, which is like an 18 on a full frame. That's all you need. So I've been looking at the 18 millimeter on the S5 II. I've been looking at the 20 millimeter, the 24, and the 100 millimeter. So since I have the 24-70, and I already have the 50 and 85, I got the 90-280. All I'm missing is basically the 18 millimeter and the 100 millimeter. And I might get those two lenses and with the Panasonic. And it'll also work with the Leica. And that's all I need. The 24 and 35 are already there. It's pretty good at f2.8. So I don't need to waste money on that. I can just get the 2 extra lenses and have that. So anyway, thank you for watching. Remember, stay safe, keep smiling. Until next time, I shall see you then. Goodbye, folks. Have a wonderful day.